Yeah, go ahead and help him load forward. Six is clean. He's clean down there. Okay, Caleb. Yeah. Here we go. What's up? Go ahead and load one in the middle. Keep your hands away from it. Okay. Load it. That's the last We're fine. This is it for the fours, Johnny. Say that's it? That's it. Okay. How many more sixes you got? How many more sixes?